So no matter how shallow and self-absorbed you pretend to be...
Excuse me. There is no pretense here. I happen to be genuinely self-absorbed and deeply shallow.
Oh, please. No, you're not. Otherwise, you wouldn't be so unhappy.
Elphaba.
Fiyero.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air. I'm counting every step as you climb the stairs. It's buried in your bones, I see it in your closed eyes turning in.
Can't you see he wasn't going to harm me? He just...
We hold it in the most when we're
He loves her.
thin. Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow. The world is spinning like a weather vane.
You said so much.